Hello guys, you are welcome to our Coreldraw tutorial video. Inside this video we show you how to Powerclip. Right click, maybe you are importing or paste. There's picture, either you draw circle or you draw rectangle. Your shape, right click and drag inside the shape. Right click again to edit Powerclip. Adjust by left click. Finish. You see, you can move it by left click. Hold Alt to adjust without going inside the Powerclip. Hold Alt. You see, to extract, you right click to extract. You see the frame type. If you want to remove, see, because this is auto Powerclip. See, as you undo, you can move it inside. Hold Alt to drag without going deep. Can you see it? Right click. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe, like and share.